here to introduce students to Wrocław as a city, and mostly I spoke about University of Wrocław. So the entire objective was for students to know what can they study and what can they do once they apply for Erasmus exchange in Wrocław. My university and my department, we have had very strong links with University of Tuzla, and actually I'm more here not as a lecturer but as Erasmus coordinator at the department, because we successfully let's say finished the entire procedure of signing Erasmus Plus agreement. So I'm here just to personally launch the cooperation with the rest of the university community, like with the students, to encourage them to come to Wrocław and so on. I'm pretty much familiar with pedagogy and psychology because I cooperate with Professor Tufekcic. They are pretty similar to our program, which I think is a great also option for the students, because once they come, they wouldn't have problems with meeting the criteria of the teaching program or curricula. So the curricula are pretty much similar, and because we have to meet the criteria of the Bologna system, I can see that you are pretty advanced in this improvement as well. So I think they are attractive for students also for the reason that you have practices, praxa. No? So I think it's pretty similar, and some of the students who are here today, they told me about their internships as well. So it is pretty similar, and that's a good option for those who would like to come, because they also can do internship in Wrocław within their curricula. So it's going to be accepted here when they return. I think that studying in Poland and in Wrocław is a good option because, first of all, I think that mentality of Poles and Bosnians is similar. Slavic souls, we are pretty much open-minded. We're very hospitable. It is relatively cheaper than other countries within European Union, and given the scholarship, I think it matters as well because it gives the students the opportunity to travel, and we are within 300 kilometers distance from Berlin and Prague and Warsaw. So traveling, entertainment, but first of all education and English. I think they would feel comfortable in Poland, and they definitely would like it.